close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hold on. Okay. Hairs. It's on my hairs. Oh, this is. I'm seeing them little white dots all over the place. Ooh, my towel is stuck to this. Ooh. Oh, this is great. Oh no. Boo. I don't know if y'all like. This is all my hair right now. Look how close my eyebrows is to my hairline. This is all my hair right now. I can feel it. Ooh! I'm like tearing out my edges. Ooh!
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading up.
What's good? Move, get out. Can you wait? I was taking a... What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Hazel back in the building. How are you feeling today, darling? Well, today I'm gonna just show you how I used to curl my hair when it was this short about a year ago. I had cut it off and we're just going through the same process again. I'm gonna go in details on how I do it and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use. I wash my hair and I have the towel on for about an hour, so my hair's pretty much dry and it looks horrible. As you can see, like there's some curls here and there, but it looks nappy and nasty. So what I'm gonna use today, I'm going to use these two products right here. We got the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. You need this. I did a lot of dyeing and bleaching to my hair, so I am still treating it almost every time I wash it. And then the leave-in conditioner from Jamaican Black Castor Oil as well. And those two products are from Shea Moisture. I'm also going to use the Curl and Style Milk. Not too much of this because I am coming in with the famous EcoStyle Professional Styling Gel. Let's get it done. You're gonna, my sister bought this yesterday. It's like iron. I don't know. But I'm gonna use it to get to like little small parts in my hair because you know I am still bald-ish. Okay, so this is the bottle. It just has water in it. So I'm just gonna put moisture back in my hair. I don't want it too wet, but I want it was really dry. So, oh yeah, and I'm gonna oil my hair. Black castor oil. And I'm gonna oil my hair. Oh yeah, just on my hair. And I go with the castor oil line because of the fact that castor oil grows your hair. Sorry, that just felt good. Castor oil grows your hair, and even though I don't care for my hair to grow as fast because I like it when it's short, you still want it to be healthy, and I want that. So I just took some of that, rubbed it in my scalp, and now I'm gonna get this part of the I've been trying to do voiceovers lately, and voiceovers just don't do me. Like, I feel like I sound so crusty in voiceovers. I'm gonna go in with the leave-in conditioner, and we're gonna put some moisture back in my hair. My sister be telling me that I use too much. Kenny, I use me a chatbot, and I'm like, no, it's never too much. Me a dry, so you know, I feel soak you up with whatever it takes to get it back to, you know, luscious. I am using a lot, but like I said, my hair was dry. We're gonna go with the Strengthen restoring treatment mask. I'm not gonna put too much in this because this is very thick. Like, see, it's not even moving. It's thick. So I'm gonna just use that much, just because I do want healthy hair. And as you can see, my curls are popping right now, but they're not. Oh, they are popping. Okay. But we're gonna define them so they can stay like that. The styling milk, I don't have my the curl enhancing smoothie, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of the stuff. I'm gonna use a little bit of the style milk and put it all in my head. And I know it seems like I'm using, oh, that smells good. And I know it seems like I'm using a lot of product in my hair, but like I said, I'm trying to restore all of that moisture that I lost from dyeing and bleaching my hair. I'm using the clear Eco Styling Gel because it's like y'all need reason for everything. But my hair is red, so I don't need any tint of anything. I'm not using the black one because black one leaves black tint. I don't even think people use black gel no more. But the green one, all that, I don't need a tint to my hair. So okay, so I don't need a tint to my hair. So that's why I'm using the clear one. I usually go for the black castor oil one. I love that one. There's never, like, I love that one. So I'm just taking some gel. I'm gonna, I hope you can see this. I'm combing out that little section with it. I'm gonna take, if your fingers can do it, because I love using my fingers. If your fingers can do it, then use your fingers. I'm just gonna take it and curl it up like that. I don't know if you're seeing this. And grabbing less hair is better for the curls than grabbing a lot of hair at once, and I think that's what I'm doing, grabbing a lot at once.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
I'm making my part from now because I don't wanna, I'm like curling all of my hair and I don't wanna curl the parts, even though I probably kind of do that. I'm just gonna use pins to secure it down. You know, I wish I had clips, but so all I'm doing is taking the gel and I'm just gonna apply it to where I'm at. I'm just gonna do my edges, even though I said that already. I'm just gonna take some Eco Styling Gel. I still need the mirror. I'm just gonna take some Eco Styling Gel and I'm gonna just do this one over. And take out this Coolio, slick it on my face. I'll soup, get out of it. I'll soup, and I'll soup up there. That looks so gross, Naya. I thought we would stay like that. I did them money already. Soup in here, so. And I touch this, to be honest, man. I've been about to know. I watch video. I don't know if we do it this, man. I don't know if we do nothing. Soup in here, so make sure these parts are laid down flat. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this bandana. Make sure make my edges bun. Okay, I'm just gonna.
Yeah. Did you see what I done? Came in a black Benz, left in the white one. I'm just a hoodlum, I came with my bones, some niggas wanna try something. Did you see what I done? Came in a black Benz, left in the white one.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Follow your girl Hazel at black.roses on Instagram. The rest of my social media platforms will be down in the description below. And if you want to achieve this simple, natural look, let me know, because I didn't record it, okay? So, I'll do it again if you need me to. Okay? Now tell me what you think. Okay? Tell me what you think. To all my beautiful people out there, don't let anyone tell you can't, because you can and you will. They're just mad because they won't. Thank you guys for all the love and support.